It's good to see you all here. I'm probably the only one that traveled here to see you tonight.
You came from Indiana, right?
Yep.
Cool.
That's why we need to have an event in Indiana too, right?
They have
Why
to.
not?
Have a meet up in Indiana.
Yep. That's good. So, my name is Nero Lazar.
Yep. Perfect. Thank you.
My name is Nero Lazar. I'm a software developer and founder of DoSide, amongst other things that I do. I'm here tonight to present to you this lean startup that I've been working on lately. I wonder how many of you take decisions every day. It's probably all of you. So, DoSide is mainly an approach to polls and surveys and reviews and everyday decisions that everybody has. And the way, what we didn't like at the current polls and surveys approach is you have some results, but you don't know why those results came up. So what we did, we move forward, we introduced a reason to why people are making that decision or voting on that particular option and such. This is an example of the web platform that we developed. Is a comparison between some gadgets and phones. And our approach is to add factors, decision factors, on the rows, and then we have each option on the columns. And then users are setting the importance of each decision factors based on what they think, and they based on them on their expectations. And then they slide these dices and make their options by comparing this choice with a base choice that they might have. So in the end, you will have a button show winner that will calculate all things here and will give you a winner. One of the columns will become a winner, which makes it your decision, obviously. Now, for polls and surveys, and even for your decisions, you might want to double check this with other people. Like I may send my decision for my next phone or car to you guys to have your input on my decision table. So I'm going to send you the link, and you are going to visit it, play with the sliders here, and then save it as your own perspective. So at some point in time, I'll have like 10, 20, or hundreds of decision tables for the same idea, for the same decision that I need to make. So if you could go back. Then.
Sure.
The reason is that you have another button, the merge perspectives. You can select all or just a few of the people that responded and merge the perspectives. And what it does is it automatically recreates the decision, but all these sliders are having now an average value based on all the decisions we just selected. So it will give you an input per group.
Remove?
Yep.
Okay.
You can share the results that you merge or just your decision, and in a blog or website. And the next slide is showing a Twitter with the short URL for the decision of the results. So another thing that we've implementing, I'm going to take this pretty quick. You can import tables. You can just visit a website with a table, comparison table. You just select everything there. You just throw it in this text area. Hit create new. It will create a new decision table with all the decision factors and options. And you can just go ahead and play with the sliders and have a final decision. So what's the value? Or what can you do with this? You can compare products. You can choose a service. You can pick a job. you can pick candidates that apply for a job based on your factors, decision factors. You can diagnose things if the decision factors are symptoms and options are different diseases. You can diagnose things based on the symptoms. So, and just medical, but diagnose other things as well. You can choose between constants, and this is actually Six Sigma theory. It is called Q matrix. It's based on this theory that probably bigger companies are using to pick the best concept out of many that they might have. And poll surveys reviews decisions. That was a.
There you go.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah.